guys, we're going on a walk today.
Can I say it too?
Mm-mm.
Please?
Yeah, I'm recording you. We're going on a walk today.
Yes, we are!
We're just gonna So we're just gonna record the view.
Yeah, we are.
And what you're seeing is what we're seeing, so.
Yeah, that's what we're seeing. And this is not poop. This comes from the trees.
The trees, no. The people dug it up.
Maybe this comes from something. Hold hands.
Okay, hold on.
La la la. We're going in a nice view. This is our view of a nice.
It didn't crack. So what you're seeing is what I'm seeing, and sometimes I'm gonna put it lower so that we can both, so you both know what we can see. This is our beautiful mom.
Yeah, that's.
Oh.
You forgot.
Here, Naya.
And energetic sister,
Naya.
lousy me.
You know, go home.
No.
Right here.
La la la.
Mom, you're pretty lucky that your phone didn't crack when I dropped it.
Yeah.
Was it already cracked? Yeah.
Lots.
Why did you bring your, oh, no. Nothing.
I feel because, hey.
Okay.
Maya.
Hold mommy's hand for a second, okay?
No.
I gotta bring the phone really high. So, as you can see, the railroad.
You're not gonna drive?
Train, look! The train!
A train! Hooray!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, trainee.
Bye, train.
Bye, trainee. I'm so excited! Woohoo!
Someone who doesn't go out that often. Right?
Can you
Okay,
hold the
Naya.
camera? Hold the camera, but don't turn it
My
off.
shoes, Isha, my power, I have my shoes, my power. Can you see us? Isha, when I have that, the shoes, it makes me run very fast.
All right, wait. Not too far.
Right from here to that sewer drain, okay? Mama, you stand there so that you can see who wins first. Tell us when to go.
1, 2, 3, go. Okay, come on. That's it, no more.
How again?
No.